Dear friends, I am making this video to show you the different steps of installing process macro in SPSS. And the process macro is provided by Professor Andrew Hayes, and it is a famous package for using mediation and moderation analysis. And in order to download, first of all, you need to open the website and first of all, you have to type process macro in Google, and you can see the website processmacro.org. Click on this website. So this website is giving you a basic information about the process macro. Process macro was provided by Professor Andrew F. Hayes. He also write a book. The name of the book is Introduction to Mediation, Moderation, and Conditional Process Analysis. And other information you can see here. Okay. After that, you need to click on the download. And in the last, you can see the option of download process macro. Just click on it and the software will start downloading it. So once it downloaded, click on the show in folder. So you can see that the process macro is downloaded in the downloads. Right click on it, extract the files, and I'm extracting the file in the folder process 40. Okay. So now you can see that after extracting, I'm having this folder process 40. If you click on this folder, double click. So if you are using R, you can use this option. But because we are going to use the process macro in SPSS, so I will go for this process version 4 for SPSS. Double click on this, and the most important file which we are going to use, it's process. And actually, this file process is the file which we are going to use it. So the question is that how to use it. So you open your SPSS file, SPSS 26, and so when you click on SPSS, the software will open. It will take hardly 2 seconds. Now you can see that the software is opening. Okay. Now click on extensions. After clicking on extensions, go to utilities. And after that, go to install custom dialog compatibility mode. So click on this. After clicking on this, you have to find out this folder. So this folder is in downloads. So I'm showing you from the beginning. Go to downloads. In downloads, you can see the process 4.0. And in process 4.0, you can see the process 4 for SPSS and custom dialog builder file. And you can see the option called process.spd. Just open it. And the software is saying that the previous version is already there. Do you overwrite? And because I already installed it, so that's why I'm getting this message. Otherwise, whatever message comes here, you just click OK. And the software is saying that the process macro will come in, analyze regression process. So you can see this path. Okay. So once we downloaded the process macro, we can see the process macro here. go to analyze regression, and you can see the process version 4 by Andrew FAs. So if you can see this option, it means process macro is installed. And once if you want to run it, so you have to open a file. So let's we open any random file. So I am just opening STEM Advanced. This file, let's see this file. So after opening any file, you go to analyze regression process macro, and this page is coming. So if you can see this page, it means your process macro is installed. So I hope this video will help you in downloading or installing the process macro, and we will meet in the workshop. Thank you very much.